Sanya, a 13-year-old curious city girl studying in class 8. Kabir, Sanya's 14-year-old brother, who helps her contemplate things and perform various activities. Mummy, Sanya's mother, who facilitates them in understanding different concepts.
Sanya, what are you thinking?
You know, Bhaiya, a weird thing happened today. In school, when the peon was ringing the food bell, I happened to touch the pole on which the bell was hung. When the peon hit the bell to ring it, I felt that the pole was vibrating too. Then after we came back home, when we were listening to the songs on our music system, my hand grazed across the speaker by chance, and I could sense some vibrations on the speaker too. When I'm touching the speaker now, I can't feel anything, no vibrations at all.
Do you think that maybe there is correlation between the things that you could sense were vibrating and the sounds that were being created by these vibrating objects?
Maybe. Can we not find this out?
Yup, why not? Let us try doing a small activity. Let us try hitting this hanging metal vessel with this rolling pin.
Ouch! This makes such a loud noise.
Come on, now touch it and tell me what you feel.
Oh wow! This is also vibrating like the school bell. Oh, I see. Does this mean that vibrating objects produce sound?
Brilliant! You got it right. Ever notice the mobile phone vibrating when it rings?
Yes. Have you ever seen such examples? Have you ever felt any vibrations accompanied with sounds? Mummy, I'm wondering why although a sound is generated when we hit this plate with a spoon, but I cannot see any vibrations in this plate.
Why don't you put some water in this plate, Sanya, and then try hitting the plate with the spoon?
Okay, let me see what happens. Oh wow! See, Mummy? Small ripples are generated in water. This indicates hitting the plate with this spoon also generate vibrations in the plate. Friends, can you analyze the relation of vibrations in objects with respect to the sounds generated by these objects? What is this relation?
Okay, Sanya. You must be having musical instruments like tabla and drums in your school. Have you seen how the tabla or the drums are played? How do you think sound is produced in these instruments?
I guess beating the drums creates vibration in their membranes, and these vibrations produce sound. Friends, can you guess which part of all these instruments produce sound by vibrating? Sounds are emanated from vibrating objects. Vocal cord in humans produces sound. The sound reaches through air as well as through water and concrete material like wood, metal, etc.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.